Okay, today I'm going to show you how to get a boyfriend and, yeah. Okay, step one to getting, a boyfriend is getting 2,000 monkey meters and monkey kickoff. So let's go. And I don't think that's going to be 2,000, but I think anything over, yeah, that's fine. That works too. Alright, let's get on to step two. Okay, step two. Now, this one is really important. It's actually going to involve you going into a kitchen where you compete against Bobby Flay. Now, if you want to beat Bobby Flay, you need assistance from someone named Gordon Ramsay. So you're in the kitchen with Gordon, and Gordon starts kicking Bobby's ass, but Bobby has a trick up his sleeve. Now, this isn't really problematic because you've pretty much completed the step at this point, so you can go on to step three. Now, for step three, you're going to want to have really cool hair, kind of like Cynthia from the Rugrats. Like, if you don't have this, you're done. Just close the video out. You're done. Okay, once your hair looks exactly like Cynthia's, then you can go on to step four. But you need to know, before you go into step four, that... How do I put this lightly? It's important. That's what you have to know. Okay, step four. So, for everything to work out, everything you just learned, you have to be named Kenny. If you're not named Kenny, then nothing's good.